MLA Group. Right chemistry, right people.
From modest beginnings in 1975, MLA Group is an INR 400 crore or USD 50 million turnover group today, with 650 employees and a force to reckon with in our line of business. Founded by Mr. Murari Lal Agarwal, the company is being led by Mr. Sumit Agarwal and Mr. Abhishek Kanoria, both of whom are IIT Kanpur graduates with a vast experience. Mr. Sumit Agarwal, Managing Director, has around 30 years of experience in the industry, and Mr. Abhishek Kanoria, Factory Director, has worked with Unilever for 11 years before joining the family business, thus bringing in the best industry practices and expertise which are giving the company a global edge today. The company is research-driven, hence we manufacture unique and high-quality additives for rubber, plastics, coatings, pharmaceuticals, detergents, feed, ceramics, and many other applications.
Zinc oxide active, which is a metal-free high surface area zinc oxide, which on the one hand enhances the performance of rubber product and on the other hand bring good savings. With immense trust and support of our clientele, today MLA Industry is the largest producer of zinc oxide active in India and is well poised to become the largest producer globally.
Some of the core strengths of MLA Group are very strong research and development, which includes not only fundamental research and new product development, but also application research. The R&D is headed by Mr. N. Kapoor, B.Tech from the 1975 batch from University of Minnesota, USA, a veteran in the field. Under his leadership, the company has designed unique products such as precipitated silica, UNISIL NK-7, which is the world's highest water absorption silica. The company has application labs for rubber, plastics, coatings, and other applications. Some of the advanced facilities in our application labs include rubber compounding, molding, rheometer, physical testings, plastic compounding, molding, rheometric properties, pipe extrusion, film blowing, etc.
We don't just manufacture chemicals, we provide solutions that helps our clients improve their products.
The company has a unique 3-tier QC system to ensure a defect-free product. The first level comprises preliminary inspection and testing at shop floor level. There are separate labs in each production section. The second level comprises the factory quality control lab for detailed testing of all plants and generating the COA. The third level comprises the Central Quality Control Lab to undertake further detailed testing, cross-checking of results, and application testing where needed. The CQC lab has some of the most advanced facilities like particle size analyzer, surface area analyzer, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, etc. We have a very strong complaint handling system where the complaints are personally monitored by the directors and promptly resolved.
Behind this brand image is 40 years of our hard work and commitments.
We have our own team of 50 to 60 engineers and technicians working for fabrication and erection of our new plants and modifications of the existing facilities where needed for improvements. This continuous in-house expansion mechanism has been the basis for our 20 to 50% growth per annum.
So far, we are exporting over 52 countries across the globe. We are trying to touch every corner of the world.
We are a flat-structured organization leading to fast decision-making and prompt services. Customer service is at the core of our philosophy. We follow high ethical standards both within and outside the company in our supply chain. Honesty and integrity are the fundamental values imbibed in our system. This has led to our footprints spreading to 52 countries across the globe, where we export our products. Our regular customers include industry leaders and giants like Reliance, IOCL, Opal, Gale, Unilever, Procter & Gamble, Asian Paints, Kansai Nerolac, KLJ Polymers, SCJ, Plasti Blends, Prince, Supreme, Vectus, Syntex, Jain Irrigation, Kingfa, Forex Industries, Paragon Footwear, Ghadi Detergents, Godrej Industries, MRL Tires, Zenith Rubber, and so many more.
I'm proud to say that our international presence has been growing exponentially. More and more customers are placing their trust into our products.
All our manufacturing units are ISO 9001, 2015 and GMP certified, along with all the requisite certifications like kosher, halal, FSSAI, drug license, REACH, US DMF, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, etc. We have a state-of-the-art export warehouse from where we execute perfectly packaged export stuffings. We are currently India's largest manufacturers of metallic stearates and active zinc oxide.
With 34 US DMF registered pharma excipients, MLA Industries has become the first choice for the customers. Availability of microbiology lab, atomic absorption spectrophotometry, in-house manufacturing of technicals, and strong documentation and audit support are the main reasons behind it.
I'd like to highlight that our approach begins with understanding the whole customer need, not just the final product but the entire process behind it. We work closely with each and every customer of ours to deliver the right stabilizer solution and provide complete technical support before and after sales.
Our product range includes precipitated silica and silicates, plant capacity 1500 tons per month, metallic stearates, plant capacity 5000 tons per month, PVC heat stabilizers, plant capacity 1000 tons per month, PE bags, plant capacity 500 tons per month, ester waxes such as EBS, GMS, PETS, EGMS, etc. Plant capacity 300 tons per month. Zinc oxide active, plant capacity 1000 tons per month. Micronized white clays, talc and calcined clays, plant capacity 5000 tons per month. ADC foaming agents, plant capacity 500 tons per month. Pharmaceutical excipients, plant capacity 500 tons per month.
As a strategy manager and HR head, our vision is to build a workplace where collaboration, integrity, and continuous learning drives everything we do. At MLA, we just don't create opportunities, we create leaders.
We work closely with our customers to develop tailor-made products, backed by one of the largest manufacturing facilities in the world. Whether it's a specialized grade or high volume requirement, our system ensures quick responses and dependable supply.
Environment, health and safety are of prime concern at MLA Group, and we have regular audits and social audits from time to time.
And I personally look into the process conformity to ensure that each of our 1500 customers worldwide get exactly what they signed up for. Our factory structure comprises of 3 tiers, which consists of 11 managers, 28 executives and more than 500 shop floor employees spread across each vertical like production, engineering, projects, electrical, SHE and HR. Our factory is spread across a built-up area of more than 2.5 lakh square feet. Our manufacturing ecosystem comprises of 4 manufacturing locations, 3 job workers, 21 packing lines and 2 backward integrated plants. We have a total installed capacity of more than 1 lakh tons per annum.
We are one of the most socially responsible organizations. The company, through its NGO Prerana and Sumit Agrawal Foundation, is doing the following organized social works. We distribute 3000 Satvik roti rolls or burgers to the poor every day. We carry out 20 plantations with tree guards every day in Kanpur city. To bridge the gap between formal education and industry needs amongst the unemployed youth, we have established SAF Institute. The institute imparts education on 30 different facets, including practical sessions on soft skills, spoken English, computer literacy, marketing, personality developments, and a lot more. Educational grants are provided to the meritorious staff wards. We would be glad to share our experiences with you to help you start a similar endeavor.
MLA Group as a company has very high standards of customer service both before sales and after sales. With this flat structure in the organization, our decision making is very fast. We ensure that our customers, our suppliers never feel cheated.
In the end, we would like to thank all our customers, suppliers and associates who have supported us through our journey. We are determined to touch greater heights in times to come and add value to all our stakeholders.
MLA Group. Right chemistry, right people.